Dear God, we come to you today with a prayer for the safety of all drivers around the world. We ask that you watch over them and protect them as they navigate the roads, highways, and byways. Grant them the patience, wisdom, and alertness they need to make good decisions while driving. Help them to stay focused on the road and avoid distractions that can cause accidents. May they be mindful of other drivers, pedestrians, and cyclists, and treat them with respect and courtesy. Please protect drivers from the dangers of reckless driving, road rage, and impaired driving. May they be responsible and accountable for their actions, and avoid taking risks that could harm themselves or others. We also pray for the safety of all passengers and pedestrians who share the roads. May they be protected from harm and danger, and may they arrive safely at their destinations. Finally, we ask for your blessing and guidance for all those who work towards improving road safety, including government agencies, law enforcement, and organizations dedicated to promoting safe driving. May their efforts be successful in reducing accidents and saving lives. We ask for your grace and protection in all that we do, and pray for the safety of all drivers around the world. Amen.